Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can insert lines to your documents on Microsoft Word. So let us get started without any further ado. So head over to your document on Microsoft Word and let me, for example, add a line here. So left click where you'd like to place your line, and there are basically two different ways how you can do that. The first option would be the pretty obvious one. You simply use the line or underline or dash key on your keyboard and draw a line like that. However, that's not a consistent line, as you can see, plus this method is pretty exhausting and inconvenient. So what you want to do instead, guys, is simply let me switch or skip to the next line. You may simply add an inbuilt line here from Microsoft Word. This is how you can do it. Head over to the insert, tap here the top, switch from home to insert. After that, select shapes here under illustrations and select your preferred shape, which in this case would be one of these lines. For example, you can go with a straight line, an arrowed line, a zigzag line like that here, a handwritten line, a curved line, and so on and so forth. Or you simply draw one with your with the scribble manually. So let me go with a standard plain a line like that here. Left click where you'd like to place it, and after that simply release your mouse where you'd like to have the line ended. So let me end it here, for example. To stabilize your line, you may simply hold left shift on your keyboard to make it really straight like that in a 90-degree like that. So angle, so like that. Release your left mouse, and after that you will see the shape format customization tool at the top. So here you may, for example, customize your line, change its color, the outline, add more lines, effects to it, and so on and so forth, guys. So it is actually no rocket science, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.